Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Ijoma. Welcome, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please subscribe to a young family. Let's grow this beautiful family. So come along with me today. Let's go shop for Christmas gift items. Let's go. Bye. So I forgot. Oh, we're done now, heading into the first shop, TKmax. Let's go.
Hello. We won't have any bigger ones in. That's the only size 14 comes in. Yeah. 14.99.
Next stop is TKmax. They have left you. As we're coming out, yo. Yeah, we can see it. Clearance.
Too tight. No, it's all right.
Doors closing.
True. Yeah, hold that one first. Like, look at this. You can actually create gift baskets with this. Like, the concepts are so lovely, and the person gets to reuse it again. You know, use it again at their home for storage. So yeah, gift basket ideas. So now let's go check out gift box, and you tell me which one you prefer. Whether you prefer to be gifted with a gift basket or a gift box. So look, then you tell me which you prefer. Yeah, look at them. So these are the gift boxes. What do you think? Gift baskets or gift boxes? So do you think you prefer a gift basket or a gift box? Like, look at this luxury. Like, it's giving. What? So which do you prefer, gift basket or gift box? All 599, right? Oh, look at these Christmas boxes. 399, 349. Wrapping. Yeah, Merry Christmas. Okay. And look at that sit out. Drugstore. Yeah. So up next is Poundland. So let's go there.
Yeah, so
Can you
we're
check in
heading
as
to
well?
Poundland, so we decided
For
to
the same thing we're
stop
looking
at
for.
Asda, but it was just a big store because we didn't find what we were looking for. They still had, nice gift box, hamper box, stuffs that you can actually put in there. But for what we're looking for, they did not have it. So this is the new year. It's the 1st of January. I'm sure you have someone that's celebrating from now to the end of the year. So this is the right time for you to create that cute gift box, that cute hamper basket for them. And it could cost you less because you're doing it yourself. You're buying what you know you can afford and curating it. So why not give it a try?
Shaigama, let's go to our Poundland. I need to go study. Look at that. What's the gift box? Yeah. So let's go up. Think this way. So this is the sales section. Always check the sales aisle. Then you can always fill up the gift box with these chocolates. Some are £1. No, just drink it. I won't come down and add the bottle to it. Okay, look at these gift boxes for £3. So you see why I say you have to go check out everywhere, then compare your prices, especially if you're working on a budget. Wow, this is beautiful. Like, for these prices, is a steal. Yes, baby, I want it. Like this. So grab this at Poundland.
Hey my loves, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please, let's grow this channel. And please, if you love me to go to stores, check out the sales eyes, and post the shops that are going on sales anytime you want. Please feel free to drop it in the comment section because we want to incorporate a whole lot of things apart from the cooking, hair, the shopping, where you can get things at the budget and where you can create amazing or buy amazing gift items for your loved ones, for your women, for your men, for your kids. Yes, so stay hooked to this channel and watch till the end.
It's again. Christ. Look at it. Like food presentation kind of thing. Yeah. Tangibly Group, Mr. J. Smith. Babe, I like this one for Dunga because like it's open and then is it? Look for. Come and see these jotters. Are this better? Yes. So for book lovers, you can come to Artandcraft to see what they have.
Thank you very much.
I'm just someone I'm looking yeah.
And before I forget, my lovely people, I want to wish you a happy new year. Happy new year, happy new year. This year shall be filled with so much blessings. Like, happy new year, my lovely people. So, it's still giving festive season here. So yeah, now we're back home. We're packing up these boxes. So you do not have to break a bank this year. Like, we're trying to be cost effective and still showing the people that we love that, you know, we have them, we got them, we see the little things that you crave for, and we put the thoughts in to make it work. So you do not have to break a bank to impress. When you see the little things that they always say, oh, I love this chocolate, oh, I love this, just put in the work, create something cute like a hamper. Is the thought that matters. So please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you want more of this, please do well to drop it in the comment section. Have a great year. Bye.